Jai Hind. In this video, we will discuss next feature of life, characteristic feature of life, part 2. In part 1, we have already discussed these two features: protoplasmic and cellular level of body organization and movement and locomotion. But in this video, part 2, we will discuss nutrition and reproduction, these two features. Nutrition. It is one of the most important characteristic feature of almost all living things, as all of them need a special type of energy to govern all their biological activities, and this energy is utilized in the form of ATP. ATP, that is a chemical form of energy, adenosine triphosphate. Plants are chlorophyllous and autotrophic, that is they contain chlorophyll, green pigment, as they can synthesize their organic food material through the process of photosynthesis. But all animals are heterotrophic, parasitic or saprophytic. Therefore, they derive their food material and life essential things from different parts of the plant, directly or indirectly. It means plants are self-sufficient for their food material, but animals depend on plants. Among animals, nutrition involves these 5 steps. For example, we intake our food, that is ingestion of food, digest it in different parts of alimentary canal, absorb the digested food material, and after absorption assimilate the absorbed food material, and finally ill-digested, indigested and non-digestible part of food components are egested out in the form of fecal matter, that is egestion. These are 5 steps of intake: food, digestion, absorption, assimilation and ingestion. These are food material, food grain that we take from plants in different forms, from different parts. These are food ingredients, but human beings do not take plants directly as food. We take different parts of the plants in different forms and then prepare our food material. You can see on your screen. What is food? What is diet? What is meal? A mixture of organic and inorganic material containing carbohydrate, lipid, protein, nucleic acid, vitamins, mineral salt and water. It is food. But if the appropriate amount of these 7 components are found in food, it becomes meal. A bit of difference, a very small difference between food and meals. If all these components are present in a mixture in appropriate amount, called as meal. But these substances are found but not in sufficient amount, not in appropriate proportion, then it is food. Food components can be categorized in 4 groups. Energy producing components. Carbohydrate and lipid. These components are responsible for supplying energy. Carbohydrate and lipid. Next, growth substance. Protein is growth substance. That is, it takes part in growth, development, regeneration, organogenesis, healing of wound, cut, etc. Hereditary material, nucleic acid, that is DNA and RNA. DNA is considered as nucleic material which is responsible for controlling the hereditary features from parent to offspring. Nucleic acid. And last and fourth component is regulatory substances. Vitamins, mineral salt and water. Animals intake food from different parts of the plant and digest it. In human being, we digest the food in digestive tract, alimentary canal. In different parts of alimentary canal, different parts of our food is digested. Mouth, that is buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and finally the food material which has been digested is absorbed by the plant, by the body, but non-digestible and indigestible food part become fecal matter and is stored in rectum, finally digested out. In plants are self-sufficient because they possess chloroplast, chlorophyll, a green pigment, photosynthetic pigment in their green part. And with the help of chloroplast or chlorophyll, plants can synthesize organic food material in the presence of sunlight. You can see on your screen, sunlight came from sun, is absorbed by the green part of the plant, that is leaf, young stem, sepal, etc. It takes CO2 from environment, carbon dioxide, and water from soil with the help of root, and then synthesize organic food material, that is sugar, and produces oxygen as a byproduct. Therefore, photosynthetic individuals, that is plants, are responsible for purifying the air because it is only the source of oxygen. The chemical reaction, this is 6 molecule of CO2, 12 molecule of H2O in the presence of sunlight react and produce carbohydrate, water, and finally 6 molecule of oxygen as a byproduct. You can see 6 carbon of CO2, 6 carbon of carbohydrate, 6 to the 12 oxygen, 6 oxygen and another 6 oxygen, 12 to the 24 hydrogen, 12 hydrogen and 6 to the 12 hydrogen, and finally 12 O, that is 6 O2. It means oxygen produced during the process of photosynthesis does not come from the breakdown of CO2. It comes from the photolytic breakdown of water. This is chemical reaction of photosynthesis. It means plants as well as animals both require nutrition of food material, but plants are food synthesizer and animals are food cooker, food maker. We cook our food and then eat it, then digest it. Plants do not need to digest it. Next feature, reproduction. The most important characteristic feature of almost all living things, from virus to blue whale. It is to produce new individuals of their own kinds to continue their races on the earth. Is called as the reproduction. Now, why reproductivity is needed? Why reproduction is essential for the living things, and whether it is essential for the survival of the individual. For example, such as respiration, nutrition, protoplasmic level of body organization, presence of protoplasm, all these things are essential for the survival of individual or living things. Whether reproduction is also essential for the survival of individual? No. Reproduction is not essential for the survival of individual, but it is to produce new individual of their own kind. It means if animals are not reproducing or plants are not reproducing, they will survive. Next question, whether it is essential for the survival of individual? No. It is essential to continue their races on the earth, to continue their species, existence of species. It is most essential part of the life, reproduction. Reproduction is not essential for the survival of individual, but it is essential to continue their races or species or their existence on the earth. Different methods of reproduction have been reported in different plants and animals, and all these methods are vegetative, asexual and sexual methods, but rate of production of individuals is many times more among the plants than the animals. It means plants are better reproducer than the animals, but some animals are also highly reproductive. For example, a female ascaris can produce about 2.5 crore of the eggs during her lifespan. With the help of a video taken from YouTube, you will see the number of individuals produced from female ascaris in intestine. It may block the passage of intestine. On your screen, here are examples of reproduction. Now we will see the excellent video taken from YouTube that will prove the female ascaris can produce about 2.5 crore of eggs during her lifespan, and it may block the passage of intestine. Female and male ascaris. Female ascaris is longer than male ascaris. You are viewing on your screen a video taken from YouTube. Number of individuals produced by a female ascaris may extend up to 2.5 crore that may block the passage of intestine. In next video, characteristic feature of life part 3, we will discuss respiration, sensitivity, growth and development. Till that you can see this video by pausing you can prepare the notes and subscribe the video for free education. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.